Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, welcome to my show. All right, welcome to my show. And thank you very much for watching my show. All right, guys, today I'm gonna cook a delicious recipe. All right, it's gonna be simple. It's easy to do it. All right, and look, my table how it looks like. Beautiful, colorful, and busy. That's the way I like it. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell exactly what I'm gonna make here. All right, I'm gonna make a strip steak with shrimpy. All right, guys, it's gonna bring the flavor together. All right. So I'm gonna tell exactly what I have here. What I have here for the steak. For the steak, I have half teaspoon of salt. I have 3 cloves of garlic, right, finely chopped. Also, I have a half teaspoon of Old Bay. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I love black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use. All right. So also, I have 1.5 pounds of strip steak. All right, it's 2 steaks. All right, or you guys can get 2 steaks. All right. Also, I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. Also, I have half teaspoon of thyme. This is for the steak. Now, let's go for the shrimp. All right, for the shrimp, I have 1 pound of shrimp, large jumbo shrimp. All right, guys. Also, I have 6 cloves of garlic. I have a half teaspoon of Old Bay, a half stick of butter. Also, I have 2 teaspoons of lemon. I have 3 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have here a half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of oregano. All right, guys. I'm telling you, if you need a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right, guys. You want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. All right, guys. Let me hit my stove. All right. So now I'm gonna need my garlic. I'm gonna do the steak first. All right. So let me get the wrong one. All right. Very good. All right. So this is for my steak. Very good. All right, guys. Now, let's heat this oil, all right? And I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, my oil is ready, all right? My next step, my garlic, all right. Very good. All right, you don't want to cook the garlic well done, all right? You just want to cook halfway, all right? So, all right, so my garlic, I'm gonna leave my garlic there. It's cooking. All right. Now I'm gonna prepare the meat. All right. This is my salt. This is my Old Bay. This is my black pepper. This is my oregano. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix all this together. All right. And let's go for the preparation. A little mess, it's going to be a little mess here, there, but that's all right. Sometimes that's the way it is. All right, so we have to just move around. Make sure if you go everywhere, you know, don't miss anything. So now what we're gonna do is reverse, and let's season the other side, right? And also, if you need more salt, you can add it. All right, but I think that's more than enough. All right, so that's good. So now I'm gonna be waiting here for my garlic gets ready. All right, very good. All right, guys, I see you in little bit. Welcome back. All right, now my garlic is halfway cooked. You guys can see it, all right? It's not brown yet. It's halfway cooked. So now it's time for my steak, all right? So let's cook these babies, all right? Very good. Then a little bit more. All right. Very good, guys. All right, let's cook this baby, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Time to check, all right? Very good. All right, starting to cook, all right? Very good. All right, looking good. So I'm gonna let these babies cook, all right? And I'll be right back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Welcome back. All right, let's check my steak. Very good. It's ready. All right, my steak is ready, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reserve. All right. I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. Right, now it's time to cook the shrimp. All right, very good. So in this sip, don't forget to drain the leftover, the olive oil. All right, don't forget. All right, so now I'm ready for the shrimp. So now I'm gonna get my olive oil. Right, very simple to do this dish. All right, so now I'm gonna need my garlic. So we're gonna do over again, right? Very good. So what you want to do is mix it up a little bit. I still have leftover garlic from my steak. All right, let's cook this baby halfway, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. My garlic is halfway cooked. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. My next step, let's prepare this shrimp. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, this is my Old Bay, my salt, my lemon, my oregano. All right, oregano, guys. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna mix it up this. All right, and now my black pepper. All right, very good. Very good, guys. Just mix it up this. All right. Very good. It's looking good. All right, now it's time to cook these babies. All right, so very good. Wow, it smells all over my kitchen, guys. All right, that looks beautiful. It's going to be good. It's gonna taste good. Welcome back. Now it's time for my butter. All right. You can see it's not cooked yet. All right. So that's it. Now stir a little bit. And let's cook these babies, all right? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. See you guys a little bit. Wow, I almost forget. Time to check, all right? Very good. All right, guys, looking good. All right? Very good. I'm gonna let this cook for 1 more minute, all right? And I'll be right back. Hey, guys, all right, very good. gonna show you now the final product. All right, beautiful. All right, very good. It's looking very good. All right, take your time, and it's gonna taste good. All right, but I'm gonna let you know. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. We're gonna show you how this tastes. All right. Soft, it's cutting very soft, and I want you guys to see how beautiful looks. All right, and I'm gonna have some shrimp too. Very good. Smells all over my kitchen, guys. It's gonna taste good, but I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know, guys. Cut is so soft. Wow, guys, it smells all over my mouth. It's delicious. You guys have to try this, right? The flavor comes right up. Right? Now my shrimp. Wow. This is very good. Very good. It's very easy to do it. Anybody can do it, right? Hey guys, you have to try this recipe, right? I'm sure you're gonna have today and forever. All right? Cheers.